We have been so busy, so we have been doing the connection for today. As you can see, that complete line, that is the inlet. Those two which are not complete, one goes to the kitchen, another goes to the bathrooms. As you can see, now they are complete. So dear followers, keep following. So we are working very hard with our cameraman. Next time we shall be recording every step we reach, so we shall be able to show you every step we reach while in the field. Kindly follow us to know more.